Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lego golf cart. First, let's gather our essential Lego bricks. You will need various plates, axles, and 4 wheels. Begin by building a strong base for your golf cart. Aim for a chassis that is about 6 studs wide and 12 studs long. This provides a good foundation. Next, attach your 4 wheels securely to the chassis using 2 long axles. This ensures your cart rolls smoothly and is stable. Now, let's add the seating and steering. For the seats, construct a simple 2-seat arrangement. You can use 2x2 bricks for the base of each seat. Next, assemble your steering wheel. A 1x1 round plate attached to a bar works perfectly. Carefully secure both the seats and the steering column to your chassis. Make sure they are facing forward for your minifigure driver. This step brings your golf cart to life. Moving on, it's time to construct the roof for your golf cart. Design a roof using flat plates, aiming for a size of about 6 studs wide and 8 studs long. This provides good coverage. Next, attach 4 support pillars to the chassis. These pillars will securely hold your roof in place. Don't forget to add some small details, like headlights, using clear 1x1 round bricks for a realistic touch. These details make a big difference. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and get ready to play. Double-check that all parts are firmly connected. This ensures your golf cart is durable and ready for many adventures. For extra realism, consider adding a small golf bag or some tiny clubs to the back. Once everything is secure, test your completed Lego golf cart by rolling it across a flat surface. Enjoy your awesome new creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.